sexy fun. Make up sexy fun. Make up sexy fun. Make up sexy fun. On her toes and whistle in her eye. Make up sexy fun. Make up sexy fun. Make up sexy fun. Took up my ear, bitch. Feel on my neck. My ear, bitch. Feel on my neck. Make up.
This is what you get after you've been away for a while. That sand is that beat.
And that's what we do. What's going on, lifers? We back. It's another Monday Guaranteed Fresh wrap up. As you can see, this is what happens after you go and work overseas for a while. Alright?
Make us so fun. Shit.
You already know. I got my brother here with me.
Hey!
You know what I mean?
What y'all doing?
You gonna see him a lot about 3 months, 4 more weeks. Right back on the video, so please understand.
Real
so, Guaranteed Fresh wrap up today. You know what?
What?
We was talking about why does it take so long for you to break up with someone, right? And
yeah.
And also, is that why we break up over small things, right?
Right.
And we talked a good hour and a half on the radio about this, right? But I want to play this just listen. Don't say no, but don't say shit.
Don't say
I just want you to listen to it, and we go. And then we gonna go from there. All right, hold up. Hold up. Okay. 98.
Hey.
What up?
I can't call.
He was slow as fuck, man. Don't listen.
What's going on, homie?
Yeah, what it is, man?
Ain't nothing, Dad. What's going on?
I can't call it.
Okay.
I just listen to y'all, you know what I'm saying, on the radio and whatnot, but y'all wrong.
Okay, so what is it, homie?
Cause Charlotte know damn well she ain't finna just go tell nobody nothing like that. Cause if you who you are, and I tell you what, you're gonna be a lonely woman by the time you fit.
What time
You know, I'm just being real because you gotta think about the other person's feelings. I'm saying in the whole situation. You know what I'm saying? Because you keep thinking about self. That's a selfish person who was just talking. They don't worry about self. It sounds to me like you're selfish. And I think you need to work on yourself. And that's how I put that.
Well, see, during the course of these relationships, I've been woman enough to realize what my problem has been and what their problem has been.
You feel like you man bashing.
No, it's not man bashing. Actually, I'm in a wonderful relationship and I'm engaged at the moment. And so it's not a matter of being alone.
Run the other way.
You ain't listening, bro. She engaged, homie.
It's not a matter of being alone by no means. But what it actually is being adult enough to say it's not working.
As soon as you get mad, what you gonna tell them to get on to?
No, big girl pants, they stay on all day. They have a belt.
He's waiting on the umpire to say you out.
No, that's not what I'm saying. You should listen to the show more often, sweetie. We talked about it last week. When you have a problem in your relationship, you go to that person as an adult and say, this is what I need from you. This is where I feel something's going wrong. So that way you don't have these problems. But once you've had those talks, once you've had those conversations about this is what I need and this is what's going wrong, this is what I should work on, this is what you should work on, and y'all talk about it together in a conversation, and things can't be fixed. There's no point in staying in a situation where things can't be fixed.
Yeah, you're right. And sometimes you can't have that conversation. It's easy to say and done.
If you can't talk to them, you shouldn't be with them.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, we're going to just give you that right there.
Womp, 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 womp.
I just had to play that, and it was really no reason. It was just fucking hilarious.
Yeah, really.
So that's what that was. But now we talked a lot.
Relationship, and I didn't know it.
We talked a lot. You know, we actually taught Cappuccino something today. She learned there is a such thing as tone, you know? Just got to watch the tone.
There we go!
Because see, like,
tone and keep your hands on the hook.
That's it. That's all you got to do. But in a nutshell, though, like, I had to explain because what it is, right? If y'all know, Samika, a.k.a. Memphis Bitch. You know what I'm saying? Like, if y'all know her, then y'all understand how it is. She talks. When she talks, she goes in. You know what I'm saying? So, I had to explain. We're on the radio. So your voice is your face and all of that. So what happens is exactly right.
You don't give a shit.
Because I mean you're gonna say what you want to say, but it's just like I had to tell her how men think. You know what I'm saying? The ego shit. Really, it's anyone. But it's just when you use a certain tone, you can say the same exact shit. when you use a certain tone, you know what I'm saying, it factors. Like, she can say what she mean, and look, nigga, you can do the blah, 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 blah. I'll take that ass. I'll be pissed. But if she sits me down and, you know what I'm saying, she goes in and she tell me what's up, you know what I'm saying, it's all good. So I just had to explain why this ignorant nigga called me the slow motherfucker, you heard. He was calling, like, because he heard her tone and thinks she bashing and she's... So it's all about tone today, people. That's all I'm saying.
The word for today is tone.
Well, I'm about to fuck up my tone. In my defense, what we talked about before, he called in since he had just gotten his clock radio to work, was that, you know, this is after the talks and after you've been through what you've been through and after the working out, and this has been some time and patience and effort, blood, sweat, and tears, then you get to where we're going to have to break up. Now, do I take a little bit of time or a long time to do it? Yeah. He's upset that the breakup happened at all. Apparently, we were in a relationship when he first hit that button. I didn't know anything about it, and I suddenly broke up with him on the mic and didn't know anything about it. Now he's upset. Well, I'm sorry we just had a bad 10-second breakup. My bad.
Yeah. Because I had to actually explain to people tonight what was going on, because if you would have heard us, you would have thought that, you know what I'm saying? But we are actually talking about after you go through the process of sitting a person down, talking to them, and they just continue to fuck up or not fix what it is you can't compromise with. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, but you know, people, they just hear what they want. So
basic motherfuckers.
It is what it is, man. But this is how many minutes we got left?
3.
Got 3 minutes. So real quick.
Yeah.
What happened?
Indecent proposal.
Oh shit.
Somebody want to fuck your wife for $1 million?
I beat dog shit
what you gonna do?
I take their money and then take my wife too. They wouldn't even get the fuck.
I put the rose petals on the bed.
I get
what
some
you want to do?
Shit, that's $20, cuz.
Wow.
So you gonna get them up?
That's all bullshit.
She like,
I was playing. You crazy?
Let's go.
I wish a nigga would.
Shit, y'all saw that first reaction.
Yeah, that was the real one right there.
All right, here we go.
Safe, hygienic, tax-free money, and I don't have to give it back. I will put the rose petals on the bed and cook the turkey when you're finished. Feel free. 100,000. I might think about it. 100,000. I love my baby, but we can buy a lot of stuff with $100,000.
If you know their relationship, then you know she ain't lying, because they
$1 million get you 24 hours. 100,000 get you an hour. Come on,
Time out. It ain't the same for a female and a man, though. You know that? Shit, me. It really ain't.
How so?
Cause
Hold on, look at the face. Look at the face.
This from that one. From her.
Listen now. He paying my husband $1 million, right, to sleep with me.
He's paying you.
No, okay, now.
She flipping
now
the script.
I'm flipping it.
Okay.
Now say he's paying my husband to do me for $1 million.
Right.
And the dude that's doing me for $1 million knows a couple of things that I didn't know that people could know. Now I'm like over here. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
This is my husband. Right. But I'm saying this could cause a problem. Now, with the man, now if this lady pays whatever to sleep with her husband and she show him some tricks, this dude could come back and show me and we're happy.
Or
Do you see what I'm saying?
Or he might not come back at all.
So
Same thing. Why can't you go turn back and show him?
Yeah.
This man's pride is not good. Do you hear me?
No. I believe in conversation in the
No,
bedroom.
I'm saying men's pride is not
If
good.
I see it, baby, let's try it. So you can't say somebody else has done something that I haven't done, because apparently that's not going to happen.
But do you feel me?
I feel you. You worried about it. She knows she's better than you. He doesn't know.
No. Right.
Don't let her be better than you. You better just get all of that.
Busted wide open.
That's that.
Whoa! Stop the tape!
That's that one.
I was just playing.
All
Don't take
Rewind!
right, look. This is what's going to go on here. I'm going to take a minute to process all this in my head, and I'm going to make a part 2. All right? So, we're going to be back.
holler back.
It's a lot of questions I want to ask now. So, who you with?
Good folks.